Maharishi, this question is from the editor of the Cambridge Evening News in Cambridge, England, referring to the current conflict between the United States and Iraq. He asks, is there something that can reconcile or satisfy completely the opposing sides in the current world conflict? What do you advise, Maharishi?
I advise approach to that universally present, to that omnipresent, unifying field of natural law, total natural law, the knowledge of total natural law. That is the solution to all diverse values. It's not one or two or three. There are innumerable diversities in our world. That's what makes a world. But they're all unified on that level where total natural law is humming within itself. Self-referral hum of total natural law, unified field, paraki chetna in the Vedic language, parme vyoman, the field of self-referral transcendental consciousness, enlivenment of that, knowledge of that, is that which will unify all differences. Only the knowledge will do it. Knowledge will do it, Knowledge will do it. Not the talk of knowledge, but the enlivenment of that knowledge in these groups which we are establishing, these groups. Each group of 8,000 will have an influence of positivity and harmony in the whole world consciousness. So each group will be the pride of human race. That is the solution. Because in the world, not only 1, 2, 3, 4 problems. The world is full of problems. Just as darkness is full of problems, and we have the knowledge to bring the light, that knowledge will be the solution to all problems.